Yo!
What's happening?
Guess where we are today, innit? No surprises. We're at AJ Retros, we always are, innit? Except we're here this time with Matt from Ito. Why are we here with Matt from Ito? Oh, because he goes, yeah, it's finally having a fuel line
It's about time now, isn't it?
Remember now, in the last video we put up about this, the fuel lines, you said, oh, they're looking like they're splitting. Well, they have split. It's squirting petrol everywhere, so I've had to get a trailer in today with Matt from Ito. Now, his vehicles have been in some videos in the past because he goes to the same events as us, like, innit? But pretty much, him and AJ Retros, him and Alex, they tend to do a lot together. So we've used him, innit? He's one of the only people I would trust with that car, innit? So let me film this now, right? There we are. If you need anything towing, give him a shout, innit? Tell him the Viking sent you. He's upgrading his fleet as well shortly. He's looking at getting a different loader, but he's got options like. So what are you going to say?
I was going to say Matt has a petrol head as well. He's big into it. He's got some stuff himself. But also, if you want local stuff, he'll do it local, or he'll go nationwide. Literally anywhere you want to go. He's the boy to do it.
He's done way better than me. I'll be honest, I got up at 6 this morning, right? I haven't woken up properly.
It's early, bro, isn't it? It's early. But
my eyes.
Yo, I'd say what it is, yeah. He was alright. He was sort of like this mid sort of level. You've seen that car and you've gone like that. So, you know, it is what it is. I can't blame you. It's gorgeous. You were glowing, son. You were like this pretty little peach. That's what was going on.
So you were a pretty little peach, innit? Things are happening with this Evo now. Yes, they're going to be salting the road shortly, but this is the start. This is the first bit of work that's being done on this car.
Straight, innit?
Albeit remedial work, innit? But
there's exciting stuff
lots more stuff are coming for this, and new JDM adventure going forward. It's happening.
Damn straight, boy.
But look at this, right? He's got this Landy, right? It's on air and it goes up and down and all of this stuff to help him. He's got his name on the number plates, you can't miss him. He's got all his beacons and all his business, and this trailer, I'll be honest, right? I haven't had much towed in the past, but he's got all the business in the world on his trailer. He knows what he's doing. He might look unassuming, but the man knows, innit? Look at him.
You know what I like, though?
What do you like?
Forget your Evo.
No, forget you. Forget my Evo. No, forget you. Mr. Bean.
Come on, Bean. He's doing his little... Come on. Synchronized, isn't it? Synchronized. Can't even speak. I'm tired too, isn't it?
Yeah, it is early. It is early.
When I remember as well, yeah, slightly off subject, well, that Trekker, that's going to be the full feature of that suit.
Yeah, we have in our suit. He's going to finish work on it.
Take the keys, do what you want with it. So
yeah.
We're going to do a full feature of that, and I'm hella excited about it. And look, this is a relationship we have.
He's even employed a T-boy, look. There he is.
Which one am I, son?
Here we are. I don't trust many people driving my car, but Matt is one of very few people who's going to have the opportunity to drive my car. Look at that. Gorgeous that is, man. Absolutely stunning. Sexy, that's what that is. Pure sexy. Do you know, I never seen my car moving around without me in it. That's awesome. I'm just gonna park it up now and get it out of the way. Try not to look at all the fuel leaking out of it. Probably about 20 quid's worth on the floor.
A few inches later.
Look at this pair. Emotionless. All the emotions. See, here we are. You know the score. AJ Retros. Uncle Steve, innit? And him.
No, we do.
Picking this thing up now. What have you done? Fuel lines, innit?
Yep. Drop the fuel tank.
They were bad, weren't they?
Really bad. And I sent you the pictures.
Pictures on screen now. dates were from 2013 and 14, respectively.
Yeah, 2013, 14.
And you wouldn't think that from out the state of them.
No, they're like about 20 years old.
Don't I though? I thought they'd be original ones, but they're not. But
the ones on my Beetle, yeah, when I had that leak go back on the channel, innit, were better than what was on that. True story.
So yeah, man.
Lucky boy.
Yeah, a 22-year-old Evo, even though he won it a dream car, it comes with problems, doesn't it? It comes with wear and tear. But it's back. We're going to take it for a drive. Well, I say we. I'm going to take it for a drive. You can watch me, innit?
And cry.
And cry, innit?
Cry.
And yeah, check this out.
And I will cry as well.
Don't cry.
We'll all cry.
We're crying, we're all right.
Right, so we've got a bit of boss cam going on. My apologies, yeah. Obviously, it's never as steady as what this order does, etc. But come on, he's beaming. He's literally beaming.
I'm so happy at the minute.
Damn straight. So we're on road in Evo 6. Also, apologies, because this car is not massive. We're in the Golf, I can stretch right out. I can't in this thing, but it doesn't matter.
No, your arm stretches out a lot further than the car does, doesn't it?
Damn straight. But what are you saying then? Come on.
What I'm saying is he's replaced the fuel line. Thank God, there we are, so it's not leaking petrol anymore. How bad were they though? Just to remind you, I'll put up one of the worst ones on screen. Mental it is,
Very
absolutely
bad.
mental. But,
but this is a vibe, bro. This is a vibe.
You forget, it don't drive nothing like a modern car.
No, you got to get used to it.
I love how it drives. And also the indicators wipers are reversed. So in the rain and dark now, I find myself turning my wipers off and not indicating.
True that.
But I love this car so much. This car is literally my baby. Literally my baby.
It is though, damn straight. I got a lot of love and a lot of time for it, bro. No doubt it's awesome. And I tell you what, seeing you, yeah, I can see you beam driving this. Your whole mood, demeanour, everything has changed to what it has been the last couple of months. Exactly. So I tell you what, he's miserable on the best of days, yeah? So the boss cheers him up like a light to his life, innit?
Everything he's saying is untrue.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're on road in this, innit? But enjoy it, innit?
But one thing is...
Alright, sorry, yeah, apologies.
Well, one thing is...
2 seconds. There we go.
So one thing is, obviously, when I first... I haven't driven it for 3 months, so the fuel line's gone. But when I first had it, I was like, oh my God, it eats petrol, and everyone goes, it's so bad. But I want to see what the difference is now, because obviously...
You were leaking
I had fuel leak before. Yeah. So, I don't know, innit? I'm watching the gauge, and it's still going down. But...
Those lines don't go overnight, man. I know they perished, but they were perished.
And
there's
the thing
a difference.
Is, they were 6, 7, 8 years old, and it's like, where's it been?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like Wolverine and Freddy Krueger with the winner. I don't know. But yeah, man, I'm so happy.
Tell you what, I'm spinning this around, yeah? I'm going to give you a bit of boss cam active on this, yeah? Because I want you to experience what it is like. Let me just put this back in an Evo 6. Because I tell you what, it is complete and utter vibe. As I said, there's not a massive amount of space. But, you know, that's all part of the fun.
Yeah, and apologies, it's going dark as well. I can't do much about that.
No, not at all. Yo, don't worry about anyone. You just do this for you, fam. You just enjoy it. Damn straight. But what an experience. We've got some epic roads also. Try and hold that as steady as I can, you know, boss cam and all that. And this isn't no Rolls Royce, to be fair.
Now the car does need setting up a bit. The alignment needs doing, the wheels, the camber, everything needs doing, right?
Yeah.
Because it is so twitchy on the road. Mad twitchy. But there's a lot of things planned for this car. Is that you filming, Jordan Boss Thomas? Is that you filming?
Oh, but we're on full zoom. Oh. You hate me, I know you do.
Of course I hate you.
Right.
You make my life more difficult.
Tell the peeps what you wanted to just say.
I can't even remember. You tell them what I just said.
Yo, so right, yeah, watch bottle.
Alright.
So this car, yeah, setting up, bruv, you tell them.
Things need setting up. It needs, the wheels need aligning, and there's a lot of things. It's twitchy on the road. It doesn't drive proper at all, right? But all these things are going to get done. We are going to be going to Norris Designs at some point next year.
We are, though.
And we need a little bit of tuning done.
A shopping list is what we got.
A shopping list of things. Alex has been like, when you go there, these are the things you need doing first. Is that right? You need to start saving money for this, innit? So start giving us a thumbs up on videos, because man needs more than like 50p a video, probably about 80p a video I need.
Yo, 80p would be a good compromise.
It would, wouldn't it?
Damn straight, but this car is going to be active. For Viking Views 2022, this car is active.
And our bro, Kenny in Accelerate, it's happening, Kenny from Accelerate, how are you doing, son? He's selling his Evo 7. Is it a 7 he's got?
7, yeah, RS, isn't it? Clean car, spent a lot of money on it.
Now, in a recent video of his, he said they're selling it to progress the channel, which is curious, isn't it? Because in order to progress our channel, I got an Evo 6 instead, like. So I'll be interested to see what they come up with next.
Damn straight, but yeah, here we go. So what we're gonna do when we get stopped, yeah, I know the weather is in the vest, it's going dark, but I'm gonna get out of this car, I'm gonna hand the camera to him, and you're gonna film some nice stuff for this car, yeah?
Yeah.
There we go.
And I'm probably gonna make him stand in the drizzle and film some cinematic stuff of me driving past too.
Do you know
Just
what?
for you people.
Do you know what? I'll do that for you, fam. Because normally you do it for me, innit? So
it won't look very good because he's doing it, but we'll have a good old.
Yo, we'll have a go in it. We'll have a gander.
Also, we're heading at the moment to Porthcawl, right? What do you reckon the chances are?
Oh, man like Grant, innit?
Man like Grant, innit?
I tell you what. Oh, yo, when we're here as well, I've got a challenge for all the little viewers.
Oh, what little challenge for the viewers?
So the little challenge that I've got is, you subscribe to that channel here. If you're not subscribed yet, and if you don't hit like on this video, you'll have 5 years of bad luck.
It's true though.
It is true.
It is true.
One like, one pray.
And if you've watched this video this far, you must be enjoying it. Give us a thumbs up. Stop being a dick, innit?
Damn straight. So, you know, if you don't want that bad luck, smash like. Damn straight. I don't know why I did that, but tails up, bro. Tell you what though, reporting on this now, just as we're rolling in, that sky is pretty. Do you know what else, bro?
I'm pretty.
Well, no. What I was going to say was, you've probably got one of the cleanest Evo 6s, yeah? There's no doubt, I'll flex and say that, because it is pretty damn immaculate, yeah? And you're out driving this in the rain, bro.
Yeah.
So, you know, you're driving it.
I had to drive it in the ring, so I had to pick it up from Alex's.
I know, innit? But, you know, I would have been, if this was Bundy now, I'd have been out there watching it, driving it down, I wouldn't be like, oh, no, see you next year, like, so, do you know what? Kudos to you, innit?
Kudos?
Kudos to you.
Kudos, you mean?
Kudos.
Kudos.
Yo, that tree is normally pretty in the winter time as well, when it's Christmas time when they got the lights on it, so. Oh, you can't see out of focus. Right, pick us up in a minute. Boosh. Bottle bank.
Nobody out, is it?
Reflections though. Fucking winter, innit?
It's fucking winter, See, here we are down Rest Bay. Got special permission to park here. We're all right. Just letting the girl have a little cool down after a spirited little drive. How nice is it to be back in her though? Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. Oh, let's go and have a little listen to the idle on it. Just being able to look out rear view mirror and see that wing behind you. What are you saying?
This car's a complete and utter vibe. I tell you what, one of my dream cars. When you got this car back in the summer, I was like, oh my god. But I tell you what, seeing the way you are with it, I get to spend time with it. I absolutely love one. I still really want one. With this, it's a complete and utter vibe. True story. It's like nothing else wrong there, man.
True story.
It's epic. This car, yeah, like the Beetle was, the Viking views, and like the progress and the journey in the chapter.
Yeah.
This is what this starts now.
Okay.
True
yeah.
story. This
True.
is your chapter.
Are we feeling about getting some cinematics in new shorts then?
Yeah, yo, I didn't think about it.
You didn't think this through, did you?
I come out of gym, innit? I jumped in the shower really quick because I was in the gym. He phoned me, he's like, Evo's ready, so I had to leave the gym. And here we are in this. So yeah, you know, man's a bit snug, but it's alright. It's alright. I ain't moaning. We could be active. Now we do. Hey, look.
What?
JDM, innit?
JDM, innit?
JDM and JDM. What's happening? Could eat some noodles. See, now I'm saying we should have picked a different road that wasn't so sea active because it is a bit cold. You know, my man's got to go all the way up to the top for he can do a turn to come back down. But this is a little bit of behind the scenes stuff you wouldn't necessarily see. But I'm cold, I'll tell you how much. Regretting the shorts, regretting everything right now. Nah, joking, and it'll be active. You saying though, near that view, and how lucky are those lot to be staring at it? You can't even see it, but I promise you, there's houses there. gonna have to get used to one of these places, let me tell you. But you know that already. I'm got the biggest tanks today.
Most of the time, innit?
Damn straight, I'm got the biggest tanks today.
They haven't, no. Momentum's going in. That's what we've got to put in these things. Momentum.
Damn straight, I do apologise. I was pointing a little bit low then, but you know, we're all good.
That's alright, all the females can get a good old look at this order, innit?
I was going mid-section, like, you know, but we're active, but...
That's where the fun happens, innit?
There we go, fuel things. So here we go, I've got to come and show you this front on, right? Because to me, that's a pure art form. Yeah, it's no up garage, don't worry about that. But this, epic. Looking forward to get the grill clean. Oh, I tell you what though, that sounds a bit JDM.
So here we are, whilst we can still sort of see, because it is going really dark at the minute. Just want to say thank you very much for watching. There's a lot more footage on this coming soon. I was looking through the receipts earlier, that video's coming, innit?
Yeah,
but
right.
yeah man, until next time.
Boosh.